My mom is going to be showing you how to create a beautiful sun catcher out of old jewelry. So you're creating something new from something old.
I had this bracelet and not use it anymore. I had here as well some earrings. Was part of the earrings. We had different options here. We had different part of the bracelets. The first step is I will start add in the middle, in the metal part. It alternates one a star. We had a star. We had a flower, and we had an elephant. So I will start to opening one of the connectors a little bit to add each part, and I can add right here. I can open it a little more to get more room. And I can put it just right here. Sometimes we need to be patient to find the right size. Okay, it's working there. And now we're going to close the connector. And that way we will keep it in that place. And this is a wonderful way to make a gift for some friends, make something for decor the home. And what I try to do here is to make an sun catcher.
Another option is to add the ring first through the wire so that you're not fighting too many thicknesses, and then adding the charm onto the ring and then closing.
And I will repeat the process with each of them. Now we had all our charms and the bracelet and looks so cute. The next step is we will add some length to the bracelet. I will use it as a reference, the rule, and we can have 12-inch folder. So we have 6-inch in each size. Here we will use it a connector to put the two sides of the chain together. To do that, I will open the connector with my fingers. I will try to pass right here one part of the chain through the connector. Now that we had the connector go through, we will bring the ends to meet here in the connector. And I would like to add, this is an earring, I don't use it anymore, so I will remove this part and attach into the connector. Now we have this beautiful piece here. This is a wonderful project because you can reuse it, any jewelry you had, to make a new beautiful sunshine for your patio, for your window, or any place you want to add some beauty. So how is that look? That looks so nice. Then, as you can see here in the end of the bracelet, had a little little look. So I will pass the connectors through that and make one piece. And because I like the length, I will make a cut right here. Okay, it's so beautiful. And I had another piece. This is part of another earring, and I will add here as well because it's a green color and we already have something green here that may look even more beautiful. So I had another piece. I just passed through and it's ready. So beautiful. You can add any piece you had at home and you want to use it to get more color. And this is the way we will hang out. And now we're going to work in the ends of the bracelet where you can add another piece of jewelry or crystal or anything to get a little weight to the bracelet. I have these two another earrings. I don't use it anymore. So I will take the part out. I will separate and use those as a decoration for the ends of the sunshine. Now I'm going to pass another connector and for both of them. So this is how it look. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.
And watch this video so you can learn how to repurpose and upcycle an old wine glass into something beautiful.